Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So of course I'm aware that I've got the gestures applied, but I will show you I will lead you to the specific section where you can change the 3 buttons navigation and show you how to do it. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Let's tap on it. Then in this highlighted toggles at the top, we have to tap on system navigation here, and as you can see we've got 2 options. So let me switch quickly to the 3 button navigation. And before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to show you that here you've got more settings, so you can, for example, reorder the back button and the resends and manage the voice assistant. So to set the gestures, simply tap on this option, gesture navigation, at the top. And now instead of the 3 buttons, we've got actually, we do not have anything right here. Here we've got the animation which shows how to use the gestures. If you'd like to, you can go through the gesture tutorial and learn how to use them. But in a second I'll show you, I'll explain everything. Again, you've got more settings with the back sensitivity and voice assistant. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so now a quick tutorial. If you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and you have to do it quickly because as you can see we've got this arrow. If you are holding the finger too long, you will open the sidebar, just like that. So all we have to do is to make it quite quick. So something like that. And as you can see, we just got back. And the same situation from the right side. Whoops, my mistake. Like that. If you'd like to go back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the resends, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing here, you've got the resends. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.